other document where all we need to do again, follow the same process, and we will see how it goes. Okay, so we will follow everything step by step, and I will let you know. Okay, great. So let's start. So first of all, as you see that the starting process is starting again from Salesforce CRM side. So let me just do that real quick. So I come over here. So the first step is we will change view process automation settings. I'll come over here. So here we need to check if default workflow user is empty. So if it is empty, we need to choose our admin user or the tracking user. So right now I just have one. So I selected this, okay? And all I need to do is to click save. I'll stay ignore as of now. Okay, so this was the one of first step. Now the second step is pretty interesting, and you may be wondering that okay, why we need to do that, but actually there is nothing much you need to do, but this is still I would say a necessary step. All we need to do is just open this and click save. There is no, you need not to change anything, but it is for refreshing few things from the backend. So that's it. And then we need to modify few page layouts, because as I told you, we will send an email. Then I would like to show you the tracking data. So that tracking data and also the email send thing, we need this certain fields or certain buttons at our page layout. So since we're going to use for this purpose a contact, one of contact. So right now I'm modifying a contact page layout. Later on you can do the same thing with other objects as well. So right now let me just quickly modify this contact thing. Okay, so I'll go to contacts, I'll open page layout, and so I'll use okay, well, let me use this one. Okay, so let's see how it behaves. So I click on edit. Okay, so first thing first, I need to fetch view things. Okay. Da, 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 da. So email sends, this is one of the thing. I just picked this up. Then definitely individual email results. So that is called IER, where you will see your tracking data. And then from visual first pages, we need to place contact action. So this is also a very, I would say, important one. So I'll put it somewhere here. Okay. Okay, I believe that that's all we want. And I'll just click on save. Okay, or let me do one more thing. However, that's not necessary, but this is a field. This is not necessary, but actually it would be great to have it over here. But definitely it's not necessary. This is useful for you to understand whether this contact is has opted out for receiving any communication. So I'll just click on save. Okay, I'll say yes. Okay, so we had done this. Now, as a next step, we need to update the field level security. So again, I'll go to contact thing as of now. So right now we are just doing everything in form of contact. So usually this field, email opt-out, which I have dragged right now, doesn't have permissions, but in order to send emails and all things, definitely oh, sorry, my bad. I need to click on that. Email opt-out. So I need to click on this, and then I'll need to go field level security, because that's what we need to modify. So you can see that it's not visible to any of those. So right now I know that I'm working on this profile. So definitely I just choosing this one. Yes. So or easiest way to is to visible to all, but that's up to you. Like that's just something which you can decide later on. Just click on this, and I will make sure that from view field accessibility, at least view access should be there. So email opt out, and yeah, you can see it's hidden. So, okay, right now it's editable. Okay, great. So that's all for this part. Now we can start proceeding to set up Marketing Cloud thing. So first thing first, there is this plus sign. You can click on that. As soon as you click on it, it will show you this one tab, Marketing Cloud. Please click on that as well. Okay, so this is the first thing which it will ask you if you had followed all the steps correctly. So definitely you need to click on verify and press OK. Okay, and here it is showing you that how you want to set up your Marketing Cloud connector. So if I'll do manually, actually manually will also does the same thing, but there if I need to check everything, read everything, and then I need to give my consent on every step. So right now it is for demo purpose, so I'm just doing automatic setup, and if everything goes fine, then we will see last configuration summary screen. But let's see, I'm clicking on start wizard and it would say yes. So or whatever it will ask you, all you need to do like next, next, and done. So here we need to do a few more things. So it will ask whether we have taken care of this, all of these things or not, but we do. So as I told you, we have done this thing. You may have remember on the API user, on the market, on the administrator user, we have given these two permissions set. We have changed workflow. We have defined a user of it, and IP address. Actually, I do the lax. So right now we need not to worry on this. So I'll say I agree, and I'll say configure. And we can sit back and relax for a while because it will definitely take a while. Okay, so as I told you, if everything went well, then definitely you will see this window. And all I need to do is to click OK. And here we go. And this is the final step which we need to take in order to just start using it. So you need to click on Connect to Marketing Cloud. And here it will ask you your Marketing Cloud API user credentials. So if you remember when we had created that API user, so definitely keep a note of it, what the username and password you have given, because that's here you need to enter of it. So let it just load, and it will take a while. Okay, great. Okay, oh, my bad. Actually, it has taken one of different user because I believe there was a active session from my side. My bad. I'm so sorry. Let me just take one step back. Give me a one moment. Let me log out from that user as well. Okay, just one moment. Give me a few moments. Okay, guys. So I have logged out from different account. So since this is already showing it has already taken it. So what you need to do is to actually click on this change API user thing. Okay, so this is the one more, I would say, a step I will give you. Maybe by mistakenly, you will also land up into this problem. So click on that and click again to connect to Marketing Cloud. Yeah, here it will ask my username and password. So I do remember my username, which was web_API. And next, and it will ask my password. So I do remember my password as well. Okay, this verification email. So I have given my official one. So let me quickly go over there. Okay, so I had received this verification code. I'll click on verify. Okay, it will ask you a few security questions because this is the first time I'm logging with it. You can, okay, I can hide this. So give me a moment. Okay, so I have just entered the information what was asked, and here it will show you this screen. Okay, so here we also need to do a few modifications, such as definitely if you want to send out an email, so I check this box. Most of the settings you can leave empty, but right now I'll choose the target audience, like to whom I can send this emails. And if you also want to add exclusion, you can define it, but right now our purpose is to send, so I'm not going into that part. Okay, enabled objects you can definitely use. You can choose few objects out of it if you want to. Majorly we use account, case, contact, and like plenty of it, but I'm just choosing few just for the purpose, for like where exactly I can put, I can send trigger sends and all. Okay, notification. So this email is actually beneficial if there is something goes wrong with your connector, so you will get notified at this email. And for tracking, you can right now I'll choose that tracking at every level, but that depends. You can define the tracking frequency that you want it at hourly basis or daily basis. That's it. Campaign member tracking is also can be enabled, but I'm not going over there as of now, and I'll just click save. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so it is updating. Okay. So once that would be saved, then it will ask you to choose the business unit, where exactly right now you want to get this integration works. So in my marketing cloud right now, I have only one business unit, but maybe who are working in marketing cloud, they know they can create several child business unit. So right now I can hover over here and you see only one MID is here, but it could be more in future. So that's up to you. Right now, I'm just selecting this one only because as I told you, I only have one. So I click on this and save. And I would say if you have done this, then congratulations, connector setup has done. So as a next step, as I told you, we're gonna send an email and we will see how it delivers.